So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is I want to apply relief sculpture effect onto it. So to do that, I simply need to go ahead and select this image, and then I need to go to effects right here. And then what you can do is you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto texture, and here you can see that relief sculpture is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have. So you can go ahead and change around the detail of the relief sculpture and change around the depth as well. You can also go ahead and change around the smoothness of the relief sculpture and change around the light direction of it as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and select out the surface color, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And this is simply what you have. You can go ahead and change around the detail, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and change that out right here. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the depth right here and the smoothness accordingly, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with relief sculpture effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.